Now, I am here to talk about my cousin brother's marriage that they did on Saturday that ended on Tuesday. A lot of people have called me. Today, I am here to talk about it. After the wedding, my cousin brother's wife started disturbing, asking my brother why he doesn't want to post his wedding on his TikTok, on his Facebook, and on his WhatsApp status. My cousin brother told him that he doesn't want his wedding to go online, that he doesn't want his wedding to be on Facebook or on TikTok or on WhatsApp status or whatever. He told his wife that he is not a content creator, that he is just having 200 followers. He's not a content creator, and he is following about 3,000 people. He's not a content creator, so he doesn't want his wedding to be online or whatever. But if she wants to post it, let her post it. And his wife now threatened him that if he doesn't want to post it, that means there is something he is hiding. And she will never be comfortable in that marriage unless he posts it on TikTok where everybody will see it. That she wants to make sure that my cousin is not hiding anything. She just wants my cousin to post it, so she will be very sure that my cousin is not hiding anything. And he told my cousin that if he doesn't post it till on Monday, that he will leave the marriage. That maybe somebody is having a child for him somewhere. Or maybe he's keeping women somewhere. Or maybe there is one woman he get pregnant or marry or whatever. That he wants my cousin to post it so she will watch people's comments. So that Monday morning, they continued dragging. The wife called some of our brothers, our cousins. The wife was just calling everybody, complaining to everybody. She called me. I told her to forget that thing, to leave that thing. She was like, you are somebody that used to advise people. Why can't you advise your own brother? Ooh, I say, okay. I now called my cousin. I say, Oga, post your wedding video on your TikTok and on your Facebook and on your WhatsApp status. It is nothing. That nonsense, nonchalant or whatever, you don't need it. Post it. You cannot use problem to start your marriage. You people still have a long way to go. Don't start your marriage like this. You know that if you refuse to post it, your wife will be thinking maybe you are hiding that you are married to some women. So just post it for peace to reign. Finally, that Monday, my brother now posted that video around 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock p.m. He posted it by 2 o'clock on Monday. Where he lives in Lagos, people there were just calling him, congratulating him. His customers that used to come to his hotel in Lagos, some of them called him and they were like, are you now a content creator? What is going on? Some of them called and they were like, you did not tell us about your wedding and traditional marriage. Is that how you do your customers? One person boldly told him, you sure say if you did this marriage, a girl where you don't use do a shower for your hotel, now you later go marry. You sure say if you stay for that marriage? Another person called him and the person was like, a girl where you don't use do a shower for your hotel, now you go later marry. And to make it clear to you people, my cousin never ever used that lady to do a shower. My brother just used the lady to do supervisor the time he traveled to China and spent 6 months. Around that time, he already got interested in that lady and he was ready to marry the girl. So when some people that used to come to his hotel, some of them continue calling him, asking him why he now decided to marry a girl that he once used as a shower in his hotel. Why he decided to marry the girl. He was like, what is going on? He now asked one person question and that person now explained it to him. The person said, sometime I lodged in your hotel. I asked her to get me a shower. She said, why I dey look for a shower when she dey available? And that person proved to my cousin that He paid her 50,000 naira that night and slept with her. That one now got him very angry. He contacted me and he said, Anthony, I am coming to your house now. He came here. We started discussing it. We started calling those people back. We now found out that that same lady get people where she dey send her nude, where she finger herself to. If she send the video where she finger herself to you, she will collect 10,000 naira. If you want to sleep with her short time, she will collect 25,000 naira. If you want it to be overnight, she will collect 50,000 naira. Those guys in Lagos that contacted my cousin, they sent, some of them were still having the seed they used, they had WhatsApp chats and everything. They sent it to they screen recorded it and sent it to my brother. Because of the kind of person I am, I called my cousin brother wife. I said, can you come to my house? She came and she was like, my husband finally posted me. We don't settle. I said, that is not the case. See the case now. I opened that my brother chat, that screenshots that people sent, screen record. I opened it and I gave it to her. I gave it to her and she started crying. And my brother rushed that marriage because the girl don't get better already. For some of you people that are saying, why would you advise your brother to chase the girl away? I did not advise anybody to chase anybody away. She gingerly packed her bag because she knows everything don't end. And she left. So the wedding and the traditional marriage that my brother spent a lot of money on, over 15 million naira, is gone. My brother only rushed that marriage because the girl, he found out the girl is pregnant. He returned from China. He only spent not up to 3 months. The girl started talking about pregnancy. From that time, he started rushing it. So he will do the wedding and the traditional marriage because before the pregnancy is noticed. And this girl happened to be a very quiet person. She's very hardworking. If you leave her business, your business with her, she will grow your business. She was not hungry. She was making enough money in that hotel. And my brother was still sending money to her. My brother did not spend more than 6 months in China. And during the time my brother was there, he sent over 4 million naira to this girl. It was not like she needed money or something. No. Even if she is honey, no be people where they come hotel, where the man where you and her they date, live for you. The people where the customers now you supposed to sleep with. Now when I finally asked the girl age, and they said 29 years old, I now told my brother that I need to tell this girl something. I called the girl. I was like, as you are going, look for a place to ask questions about your life. Look for a place and ask questions about your life. Because I think something is wrong somewhere. So now, if it is your brother, will you allow your brother to still go ahead with the marriage? Because of people sending me message, we saw how your cousin did wedding and we saw how the whole wedding, everything just ended like that. Before you judge, ask yourself, what if na me? It can happen to anybody. Ask yourself, what if na me? What if na me? I love you all. Don't stop following me. I love you all. Peace out. Please follow.